All right, here I'm going to find the second partial derivative of h sub x. In the previous two, I did h sub xx and h sub yy. So this time I'm going to do h sub xy. Now I know if I find h sub xy that h sub yx will be the same, so I'm just going to do this one more. So that means I'm going to take the partial with respect to y of x times x squared plus y squared to the minus 1/2. Do a little bit of algebra before you start your show. Now because y is the variable, x is the constant, this is the same as taking the derivative of, or taking x times the derivative with respect to y of x squared plus y squared to the minus 1/2. So that becomes x times, let's see, I take the derivative of the outside, 1/2, minus 1/2 minus 1 is minus 3/2. Keep the inside the same, times the partial with respect to y of the inside. Because now that's a y, that's the variable, and that's a constant. So that partial derivative is 2y. So this is going to equal x times minus 1/2, x squared plus y squared to the minus 3/2 times 2y. So that cancels, and I'm left with, let's see, a negative out front and an xy in the numerator, and in the denominator I have x squared plus y squared to the positive 3/2 now. So again, I simplify these two guys, that becomes a numerator and that becomes a denominator. And I know that h of yx will be exactly the same, because h sub xy and h sub yx will always be equal.